This is just some random place at Chula University campus. There's a bunch of commercial district right here, and there's probably a lot of cool stuff there, but I'm just gonna wander a little bit aimlessly and just see what kind of stuff we see. So this is a little corner shop, which is kind of cool because it's like 3 windows on 3 sides. This one looks like it'd be pretty popular. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. This one looks like it'd be pretty popular with maybe best friends, Thai girls that want to hang out together. It's like that kind of place, or maybe a date, I guess, too. They have a little date guy there too, kind of a hippie guy with a mustache, or just their friends. They can eat cake in this little love seat space, so I can see that would be a popular date place. Okay, let's see what else they have around here. Oh, okay, there's a whole stream of stuff in here. Pretty tempted. I also wanted to come over here and see what all this is over here. So it's like Panda King. Yeah, actually this building, there's a chair up there. It's kind of funny. Let's come out of the light a little bit. So that place looks pretty cool right on the corner like that. And then this one is, let's see what this is. Hello. Looks good. So let's just kind of see what else they have around here. So Thai traditional coffee. So there's it's a pretty cool looking bike right there. It's like somebody's home right there. It's cool. Huh. Okay. Actually, there's a lot of cool bikes around here. Oh, someone just watched their bunny rabbit. Okay, Panda King, Chinese food. Let's see what's around the corner here. Looks like there's a whole little realm of restaurants down that way too. And I think we're gonna... Okay. I'm just gonna go down that one little alley, so... Okay, so hopefully this is in the same video, and I remember to put it in the same video. But this is gonna be the same space, and I just wanna walk down this little corridor and see what's all down here. And I hope I put it together with the other one, but you never know when I actually produce it. So Kumon looks like a school. Looks like they have a lot of shops here. Oh, real estate. I kind of wanted to look at some real estate stuff and see what they say about. Might go back there in a minute. Another school. Like they're studying Chinese there. I saw some Chinese characters on the wall. Meditation and healing. Okay. So it looks like this is going to go right into this little courtyard. I guess these are classes. I guess I got classes in here, and they have a lot of shops that are mixed in with the classes. That's good. It's a cool looking bike. Okay. Here's a daily newspaper, I guess. So bakery. Oh, it's a daily bakery. Big Brain Academy. Okay. So I am more interested in that real estate. I just want to see if that's actually open. Looks like they're doing some construction. It may or may not be. But I'm going to conclude for this part of Chula University.